Welcome, Divine Soul. You are about to enter a sacred space where money flows freely, joyfully, and abundantly, in alignment with divine energy. So find a quiet place, breathe deeply, and allow these magical affirmations to reprogram your reality. Repeat them silently or out loud. Let's begin. I deserve more money, and the universe fully supports my abundance. I am worthy of receiving far more than I have ever imagined. It is safe for me to want more, ask for more, and receive more. My energy is aligned with greater wealth, greater income, and greater opportunities. I honor my true worth, and money naturally increases in my life. I was not born to struggle. I was born to prosper. Divine abundance flows to me because I deserve financial overflow. The more I value myself, the more money flows to me effortlessly. I am open to income rising in unexpected and expected ways. My desire for more money is guided, blessed, and supported by the universe. Every day I receive more wealth because I deserve more wealth. I release all limits around what I can earn. I am worthy of more. Money comes to me easily because my value is undeniable. I am deserving of financial comfort, financial freedom, and financial abundance. The universe constantly expands my prosperity because I deserve more money. Feel the energy of these words settling into your mind, your body, and your soul. Trust that the divine is already working behind the scenes to bring these affirmations to life. You are rich in spirit. You are abundant in energy. You are wealthy in all ways. So come back to this meditation anytime you wish to realign with your divine financial flow. If this video resonated with you, please like it, share it, and subscribe to receive more sacred guidance. So may your life overflow with prosperity, joy, and divine magic. Until next time, stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.